It's midnight, going to Friday, April 16. I have here an almost real time. It's actually 20 minutes late of this satellite imagery of Bising, international name Sorigay. This is the central position of Sorigay. It will enter our par before 2 a.m. Friday, this early morning. So this one is already from the par, less than 10 kilometers from the par, and this is moving about 15 kilometers per hour. And so you have here the velocity of the wind. This is what we call the sustained wind velocity. It's a whirling rain clouds, whirling rain bands rather. This is part of the rain bands of Bising, this one. Okay. This typhoon is a strong typhoon and it has a huge coverage. While it is true that it will not hit land as far as the center of Sorigi or Bising, it will not make any landfall, but the rain bands, the whirling rain bands counterclockwise will hit Samar, and from Joen Typhoon Warning Center, it's the whole eastern Visayas that will be whipped by the whirling rain bands of Bising. So by Saturday, eastern Visayas, and it is even possible part of Caraga region here will be experiencing the winds of Bising and some rains, but Samar will have the strongest rainfall intensity based on the latest map and satellite imagery of Japan Meteorological Agency. This Bising is carrying rainfall intensity up to or more than 50 millimeters per hour of rainfall, which is equivalent to about 8 million gallons per square kilometers. 8 million gallons per square kilometers this Bising is carrying, or about 30 million liters of rainwater per square kilometer being carried by Bising. So Samar, by Saturday, Sunday, it will be crucial or critical for Samar because of so much rains that will be dropped here. While it is true that the central position of Bising will be here, here, and here, okay? But the coverage of the rain bands is so large that will reach up to 600 kilometers. So it will be the whole eastern Visayas, but most of the rains will be poured down to Samar. And Sunday, there will be rains here in Albay, Naga, Sorsogon City, Catanduanes, from heavy to intense. That will be Sunday, and Monday also, Monday. So this is a huge typhoon. If we go by their forecast strength of Bising, you have here, this is the location of Bising at 11:40, the time 11:40 of Thursday in the evening. This is the position, and this one before this is about 8 o'clock tomorrow, 8 o'clock tomorrow, and Bising will have a sustained wind speed, rotating speed of about 120 kilometers per hour. And then here at 8 o'clock, it will have about 130 kilometers per hour. Then here about 150 kilometers per hour. Here, this is the forecast sustained wind speed. This is about 175 kilometers per hour. And here, the color has changed according to the forecast of this organization here in OAE CIRA, using the Himawari 8 satellite imagery. This is a color for a super typhoon here, but it is moving away from the Philippine archipelago. So this is it. This is how I interpret this satellite imagery courtesy of Zoom Earth, GMA, NOAA, CIRA, GMA, Japan Meteorological Agency, and OAA means National Oceanic Atmospheric Administration of the United States. This is the Cooperative Institute of Research of the Atmosphere, the CIRA of the Colorado State University, and Himawari, this National Weather Service. And this is the Global Forecast System. These are the organizations responsible for the creation of this satellite imagery. So, my humble advice is for the LGU of Eastern Visayas, especially Samar, and maybe a part of Caraga, here Surigao. There will be rains Saturday and Sunday. And I would like to emphasize that Samar will have most of the rains and the winds. And then Sunday also, Albay, Naga, Sorsogon, Catanduanes. Then by Monday, it will still have about 205 kilometers per hour as a forecast speed, this one. Then by Tuesday, moving out about 185 kilometers per hour. This one is 215 kilometers per hour, and this is on Sunday in the morning. This is the forecast speed. So I think no worry on the wind speed, but what we worry here so much will be on the amount of rains that will be dropped to summer. Is there lately this part of Bicol region, there will be more rains. So let us just pray that all of us there in the affected provinces and islands will be all safe, and LGU officials and disaster managers in Eastern Visayas and portion of Surigao and this region here, Catanduanes, Naga, Sorsogon City, Albay. I think our officials there must be prepared and ready for any evacuation of their residents and constituents. Thank you, and early good morning to all of us.